Birdsong lessons. What do the birds teach us in these times of pandemic? Their music greets dawn in a universal language, tweets, cackles, trills, pecks, vocalizing prayers. Monovocal melodies of song sparrows, pitch, tempo, beats and whistles, vibrato of feathers, buzz of warblers. Tones of plumage, dialects beyond boundaries, winged iconography asks what we feed on. Swallows forage in the sky, manna from the heavens. I come from a lineage of resilience. Sustenance comes from above, inspires steps to move forward, become birdsong.